I'm out here with my mill. I've had a lot going on, like a lot. Work, home, machines, going through a whole bunch of stuff. And so let's take a look really quick at the milling machine. So I did get some things going, and currently what I'm working on is I'm just going ahead and getting a good flat surface on the top of what are going to be the adjustment rails for the steady rest that I'm making for the lathe. So we'll take a quick look at that. So far I've got the center milled out, the two holes where it mounts on the lathe, and kind of give you an idea of what I've got to work with here. And I'll just use some standard cam follower rollers to handle all the rolling, and that's going to be to make the new screws for the surface grinder. It's, here's one of the nuts that go with that. You can see this one's had a hot supper. And these are brass, and they're 3/4 10 60-degree thread. I'm going with 10 pitch Acme out of some 4140. So that'll be kind of fun. I've moved some stuff around in the shop. I've, like I said, I've got the mill back together. The only thing that I have not scraped yet is the column, and a lot of that has to deal with the fact, this will be a better view, is that the column, in my opinion, is too small. It's not tall enough, or not wide enough anyway. I'd like it to be at least another 2 inches, and then I'll scrape it all in. It's pretty close to being square and tram. The scraping on the table came out really well. I do have an automated lube system on it. You can see that everything's covered with oil right now. It's actually quite loose. If I tighten the gib up any harder, it's really hard to turn. But if I have it any looser, I kind of have to tighten the clamps up, or the machine will slide on its own. It's kind of interesting. And then I'll go after the nuts and the screws probably later. Yeah, that was the little automated lube system kicking in. I did rearrange some things, and right here, that's where the steady rest is going to mount for this machine. I didn't get one with the machine, and I still have the boring head in the machine to try and do the cut work for getting that aligned. So it's been pretty interesting adventure. I had some trepanning where I plopped out the slug for that thing on the milling machine with the rotary table. I've got a bunch of rotary tables now. I don't know how that happened. It's a iron addiction. Then what else have I got going on? Just mainly working on getting this machine right here back together. There's some parts for it. I don't know where the rest of it is. There's the part of the column. It goes inside right there. And yeah, the simple green. I've been gearing up and getting the equipment to go ahead and make some of the, what is it? The rust remover. That's been pretty cool. And then maybe this showed up. I got water. I've got water for the surface grinder. It's been chilling. I did try my crack at some aluminum welding with the Lincoln welder. Man, it's just, I'm not there, but it does a great job. I'm not I didn't get in and aggressively grind that, but it's important, right? I built that this mount where I can use it to, I've got the little hole. You have an indicator bar coming off of that straight off at us. And that's pretty much it. I wish that I have had more content to put out. It's just been a lot of scraping. The mill, the table, that took a long time. Work has been extremely busy. I'm too busy to shave. The dentist loves me, but I don't love the dentist, but I love my dentist. She's wonderful. Little shout out to Dr. Ina. She's wonderful. And then that's it. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you very much, and we'll carry on from there. I'm not sure how to stop this. That one? Yeah, there we go. Thanks, guys.